morning. We've got another wonderful day here at Long Engineering. I've got a little example of some identification tags to show you with some sequential numbering on them. So have a look here. Here's some we've done previously. You can see obviously the numbering goes up in sequence. Come over here to the machine now. You'll see we've got this custom fixture plate here. You can see we're just starting with brass flat bar, so it'll actually cut out these pieces and it'll number them. You get 70 out of there, so each time it does a new one, it'll add one to the number. And then over here we've got another one of the custom fixture plates. You can see here some brass flat bar ready to get installed into the fixture plate, so while we're machining one lot we can be loading the next lot ready to go. So let's get started and see how it runs.
Here we are at the beginning of the program. You can see we've just selected the tool. This is a special form tool we've had made up. It drills and countersinks the hole all in one operation. You'll see as we zoom in here. Now we're on to cutting the flat bar into individual plates, and then running a chamfer down the ends of the plates we've just cut, and on to the engraving now. So this is doing 6-digit numbers. You'll see it's doing each individual plate in sequential order. So it's just counting up by one for each plate it engraves, and that's the end of the job.